Welcome inside one of the world's largest Ajinomoto manufacturing facilities. Here, millions of cassava roots begin an extraordinary journey. Fresh cassava roots arrive daily as the primary raw material. Each batch undergoes strict quality inspection, are thoroughly washed to remove soil and impurities. Clean raw material ensures high-quality starch extraction. Outer skins are removed automatically. The valuable starch-rich core is prepared for processing.
Cassava roots are mechanically crushed into pulp. This increases surface area for starch extraction.
Water separates starch from plant fibers. The extraction process begins here.
Fine filtration removes remaining fibers. Only starch-rich liquid continues forward.
Centrifuges concentrate purified starch. Moisture and impurities are efficiently removed.
The extracted starch is rapidly dried. This creates a stable raw material for conversion.
Special enzymes convert starch into glucose. This sugar becomes food for fermentation microbes. The starch has now transformed into glucose syrup. Quality testing confirms ideal sugar levels. Fermentation is the heart of MSG production. Microorganisms begin converting glucose into glutamic acid. Controlled conditions maximize microbial activity. Precise monitoring ensures consistent production. Microorganisms continuously generate glutamic acid. This compound forms the basis of MSG. Fermentation is complete and recovery begins. The valuable glutamic acid now moves for purification. The fermentation broth is clarified and purified. Microbial biomass is removed from the valuable solution. Purified liquid is tested before further processing. Strict quality standards are maintained at every stage. Advanced testing confirms product purity. Only approved batches continue to MSG conversion. Glutamic acid is converted into monosodium glutamate. This is the key chemical transformation stage. The reaction is carefully controlled. Precise conditions ensure consistent MSG quality. Additional purification removes color and trace impurities. The solution becomes exceptionally clean. Water is removed through evaporation. The MSG solution becomes highly concentrated. Crystallization transforms liquid MSG into solid crystals. This stage determines final crystal quality. Carefully controlled cooling encourages crystal growth. Uniform crystal size is essential for quality. The drying process is now complete. Uniform MSG crystals are ready for grading. The crystals are separated from the remaining liquid. Pure MSG crystals begin to emerge. Drying removes residual moisture. The crystals become free-flowing and stable. Grading ensures consistent crystal size. Only specification-compliant crystals move forward. Advanced optical systems verify crystal quality. Every batch must meet strict factory standards. The finished MSG crystals are now production ready. Next comes automated packaging and final distribution. Each package receives an exact amount of MSG. Precision filling prevents waste and ensures accuracy. Packaging materials are formed into precise bags. Each package is prepared for automated filling. Each package receives a unique identification code. This enables complete product traceability. The finished crystals are transferred to the packaging department. Automation ensures speed, hygiene, and consistency. Every package is automatically weighed. Only perfectly filled bags continue forward. Each package receives a unique identification code. This enables complete product traceability. Vision systems inspect every package.
Defective units are automatically detected.
Any package outside specifications is removed. Only approved products reach consumers.
Retail packages are grouped into shipping cartons. Robotic systems increase efficiency and accuracy.
Shipping cartons are securely sealed. They are now ready for logistics handling.
Labels provide inventory and shipping information. Every carton can be tracked through the supply chain. Automated palletizing prepares products for warehouse storage. Robots stack cartons with perfect consistency. Protective wrapping stabilizes pallet loads. This prevents movement during transportation. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Inventory is organized for efficient distribution. Customer orders are processed and prepared for shipment. The final stage of factory logistics is about to begin.
Approved products are moved to the shipping area. Each shipment is matched to customer orders.
Products are loaded efficiently using modern logistics systems. Careful handling protects every shipment. Every shipment is digitally tracked. Verification ensures complete supply chain accuracy. Finished MSG begins its journey to customers. Distribution networks connect the factory to global markets. Millions of packages travel through international distribution systems. MSG reaches food manufacturers and consumers worldwide.
Even after production, quality monitoring continues. Reference samples are retained for traceability.
Scientists continuously verify product specifications. Every batch must meet strict quality requirements.
Advanced instruments confirm product purity. Only consistent quality leaves the factory. Quality data is reviewed by specialists. Every production batch receives documented approval.
Product performance is also evaluated in controlled conditions. Consistency remains essential across all applications.
Packaging must withstand transportation demands. Durability testing helps prevent damage in transit. Environmental testing verifies long-term stability. Products must remain reliable in different climates.
A comprehensive audit reviews the entire process. Every stage is documented and verified.
From raw cassava roots to purified MSG crystals, every stage combines science, engineering, and automation.
The transformation from cassava to MSG is complete. Next, we'll explore the final operations and factory conclusion. The entire facility is monitored from a centralized control center. Operators oversee every stage in real time. The entire facility is monitored from a centralized control center. Operators oversee every stage in real time. Preventive maintenance keeps equipment running reliably. Routine inspections reduce downtime and improve productivity. Critical process components are serviced regularly. Reliable equipment supports uninterrupted production. Steam systems provide essential energy for manufacturing. Utilities support every production department. Water quality is carefully managed throughout production. Treatment systems ensure operational reliability. Many production byproducts are recovered and reused. Resource efficiency is an important part of modern manufacturing. Preventive maintenance keeps equipment running reliably. Routine inspections reduce downtime and improve productivity. Safety remains a priority throughout the manufacturing process. Well-trained teams support efficient operations. Thousands of coordinated tasks support daily production. Teamwork keeps the facility operating smoothly. The scale of this manufacturing operation is remarkable. Every department works together to produce high-quality MSG.
The journey began with simple cassava roots. Science and engineering transformed them into MSG crystals.
From agricultural raw material to refined food ingredient,
This transformation represents advanced manufacturing technology.
Every crystal reflects a carefully controlled manufacturing process. Precision and consistency remain the factory's highest priorities. Millions of packages leave the factory every year. Efficient logistics connect production with worldwide markets. From the factory floor, the product begins a global journey. Transportation networks ensure timely delivery.
Global shipping expands the reach of factory production. MSG products travel across continents and oceans.
The finished product reaches countless markets worldwide. Global demand drives continuous production.
Distribution centers receive and organize incoming products. Efficient logistics ensure reliable supply.
The manufacturing journey ends with a finished consumer product. Quality control remains visible all the way to the shelf.